welcome back to my channel. I am Bethany and today I'm going to be doing a bag review on the Coach Cassie 19. So if it's something you're interested in learning more about, keep on watching. This is called Cassie Crossbody 19 on Coach's website right now. And it also is going for $295 USD. And this is in the color chalk. I've had this bag for quite a while. I want to say maybe like 2 years. And I just don't use it that often. I used it for a concert last year, and the year before that I used it for a wedding, but for the most part it just kind of sits on my shelf. But don't get me wrong, it's a great bag. I just think that it's the color for me. If it was black, I think it would be an everyday bag for me. It's a perfect size, has a back pocket for your phone, which is awesome, and it's just so cute. And it's not like super logo-y, so if that's something you don't really like, this is like perfect. It just has a little C right here, which you can tell it's a C, but it's not like in your face. But I will get the dimensions real quick on this bag. Okay, so on the website right now, it comes in black, this color, which is called chalk, and then a red, it's called sports red. And it looks like right now they're all in stock. Yep, they're all in stock right now. So this is a polished pebbled leather. And it is cool because it has a couple straps that come with it. I will show you that in just a second. I'll give you the dimensions. So it is 7 3/4 inches in length. It's 6.5 inches in height, and it is 3 1/4 inch in width. This way. So yeah, that is the dimensions on that. And then inside has a big pocket here, a smaller one in front, and then this small slip pocket in the back, and then this pocket in the back here. It actually does have a zipper in the main compartment. You just have the little pamphlet thing in there. And then inside is just like a fabric lining, and it says Coach on it. So cute. So my sister actually has this same exact bag, but not the 19. She has the Coach Cassie, and it looks very similar to the Pochette Métis from Louis Vuitton. It has like a top handle here. It is longer this way. It's probably about the same depth. I'm not really sure. But the cute thing about this bag is it comes with this chain strap here. And this can go over your shoulder. I will insert mod shots of me wearing this bag with the 3 different straps that it comes with. So here is the chain strap. It looks so cute. The shoulder drop is perfect, and yeah, it dresses it up a lot. Okay, and next is this little hand strap. It is not long enough to go over your shoulder, but you can fit it over your forearm and wear it that way. So it's a cute little handbag now if you want to wear it like that. All right, and next is the preferred way I wear this bag. It is crossbody, so it comes with a nice long strap. It has 7 holes. Right now mine is on the 3rd from the longest, and this is where it hits me. So cute. So yeah, those are the 3 ways you can wear this bag. And next I will show you what fits inside. Okay, many of you guys know this is my wallet. Let's see, it will fit. It just doesn't have much room for anything else. So I'm gonna take it out just so I can show you what actually fits without taking up the majority of the room with this one little piece. Okay, so I have this little card case that I use every single day, but I also do have this little pink wallet that I don't use much. I think I'm gonna just for seeing what fits purposes, I'm gonna just put this one in here. So that fits perfect. I'm gonna add my keys. And then I'm going to add, so that's all in like the middle pocket. So they have the slip one, the middle one, or the back one, the middle one, and then the small front one. I'm going to add like lip products and stuff in this front one. So we'll just do my lip gloss, my lipstick. I will add a little hand cream right in the front here. I thought I had a little. I could even put one of these little native deodorants in here, and that fits fine. Hand sanitizer, I'll put that in the middle pocket. Ibuprofen, that right there. And then I think that's pretty much like necessities that you would need, and it still closes. And then my phone can slip right into the back pocket, just like that. I bet you could even fit some sunglasses on top. I just have these little Amazon sunglasses. Yeah, you can fit them right on top, and it still closes. Not too bulky. I have this just gum pack that I could slip right in that back pocket there, you see? And that still all closes. So like that's, I would say, more than you would need to carry on a daily basis if you're like more minimal. But this carries literally everything you would need. Lip stuff, your wallet, your keys, hand sanitizer, ibuprofen, gum, hand lotion, sunglasses, and a deodorant stick. So that's crazy. That fits a ton. And then plus your phone back here. And I think it doesn't even look like it's too like bulky or anything. It looks still really nice and put together. But yeah, my only downfall with this is the color, and that's my own doing. I do think it looks really cute with dresses and stuff in the summer. Like I said, I did wear this to a wedding. I believe I used the chain strap, and I think I used the chain, I don't know. I used the chain strap or the crossbody strap. But yeah, this is such a cute bag. I've debated on getting it in black, but I do have a black bag coming, so we'll see. But this is a great spring summer bag, or for like events and stuff in the spring and summer, baby shower. I wore this to a baby shower actually. My sister-in-law wore this to her baby shower. I wore this to a wedding. I wore this to a concert. So like you can wear this with like a lot of cute stuff. The concert, I did just wear it with jeans and a cute floral top. So there's many ways you can wear this bag. It's just personally, I don't gravitate toward it because of the color. Like I said, if it was in black, I would use it all the time. But definitely a great bag. If you would like, I can ask my sister if I can borrow her Coach Cassie and kind of do a comparison on the size difference. Because hers, I can only imagine, fits a ton if I got all this stuff in here. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this Coach Cassie 19 bag review. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you very soon in my next video.